Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Whippy Autos. Today we have a 1942 Special Deluxe. Beautiful car, finished in dark blue. You just don't see these around a lot. Got a straight six. Manual trans on the tree. Beautiful, super straight body. Car is all serviced and ready to go. Really runs and drives fantastic. Shocks were rebuilt up front. Gas tank extending unit was done. Also new straps on it. New motor mounts. Transmission mounts, the rear ones were done. Rear wheel cylinders, rear brake shoes, front brake shoes, also wheel cylinders up front. Repacked the wheel bearings. New brake hoses. Man, it's such a cool car. Everything works right down to the spots too. Got a heater in it. Beautiful seat. Tons of room back here. It's nice to see an original one. Most of these were just hot rodded. And super nice headliner. Beautiful visors. $70,629 miles. I'd say that's original. Man, look at that old school radio. That is so neat. And the ashtrays up there too. So cool. Yeah, fired right up. Car really does run fantastic. Love this old school blue too. It's like a dark blue. I'm sure you guys know the color. The lights work, including the license plate light. Clients owned this for many years. Plenty of rubber on the tires. Very nice stainless. Paint's very respectable. Let's see if the radio works. Takes a little while for them to warm up. And such a neat car. Man, all those Berkelite's in pretty decent shape. Considering how old it is. 42 is when the war was, so not many of these were produced. Door shut super nice. Great fitment of all the lines too. Straight six 6-volt system. It's all tuned up, ready to go. Super nice. Just here, make a little noise. Oh, I just tighten it up a little bit. It's fine. Super solid car. This tires look brand new. Check out all the work that was just done on this car too. The bill was like $15,000, a little bit more. Cool. Oh. This looks like the radio works. Guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. I also took about 150 photos today. Check them out on our website. It's weebautos.com. Thanks a lot.